Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. We are a thrifting family who try to find things that might end up in the landfill and try to find them new homes. If you haven't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button down below and also hit that bell notification so you are notified when we post videos like this. If this is something you like. We usually post videos every Tuesday and Thursday with an occasional bonus video here or there. We're going to start out this What Sold video with 3 items that are kind of all over the board. So let's get into it. So the first item we got going out is a George the Animal Steel Wrestler. These wrestlers were from when I was young. These are from the early 80s. They definitely show use as I showed in the pictures on the auction. But super cool. We ended up getting $9.99 for George the Animal Steel right here. So good value. If you happen to see these old LJN WWE figures or WWF figures, pick them up. You will make some money on these ones. Also, the other thing to keep an eye out for from these old LJNs is the wrestling rings and any accessories. Those are the things that seem to got lost more, but the ring and ring accessories sell for a lot. So make sure you pick those up too. Okay, we are heading to the Walmart bin, which actually really isn't the Walmart bin. The Walmart bin's actually back here, but these are a bunch of vintage shirts and some vintage jerseys. We sold the Kurt Warner Rams jersey. Super cool. I think we only paid about $1 for this. Not much. Maybe $2. We ended up getting $30.50 for this. So really good value on these jerseys. This was an old Champion jersey. Size extra large. I love these jerseys growing up. It's the old screen print on them. But yeah, pretty good value with these jerseys. So keep an eye out for some of these older jerseys. Next, we are heading to the Easton shelf. It is... I don't see it. Oh... Let's find it. Oh, there it is. Right there. Anthony Robbins, Living Health. This is it's got a bunch of discs in it. We ended up getting $29.99 plus shipping on this. Really good value. If you find anything by Anthony Robbins, definitely comp it out because these things sell for good money. Okay, we are going to the pan bin to go get a coffee mug, which I'm going to rename this bin. If you guys could comment below, let me know what I should name this bin. This is the Mickey Mouse coffee cup. We ended up getting this at Marshall's, one of the two. Pretty cool mug. We paid, I think, $4.99 for this. Maybe a little less. We ended up getting 2 of these on clearance. We got the Mickey and the Minnie. The Mickey sold for $12.54 plus shipping. So pretty good there. This will go out priority mail. If you haven't already watched, we have a video up how to package up a coffee mug. So we're going to do that. We're going to use that method to ship this coffee mug. But if you guys could comment below, what should I name that bin? We usually have them named to where places we've been, places we like. But that one doesn't have a name. And I called that one the pan bin for a while because it had pans in it. And I didn't know what to call it at the time. So comment below what we should name that bin, and maybe I'll pick one of the ones that you guys choose. Next, we are heading to the Punta shelf for this charger. It's a Craftsman charger right here. I picked this up for like $1 at a yard sale. This lady said that they didn't even have the battery for it anymore, or even the tool for it, so they didn't need it. So I love picking up chargers, especially Craftsman's chargers. This one's super heavy. $14.75. This one's heading out. We had this a little bit longer than I expected to. I had it listed a little bit higher. I lowered it a little bit. I think somebody made us an offer on it, and yeah, it's heading out of here. I had this really good sale, and then my lights went out. No, the guys are working upstairs. We're getting our bathroom remodeled, so I have a few lights. This light behind me at my computer, and this light over at my workbench is still working. But there's no lights over by the bins. So when I take you over, it's going to be a little bit dark. But it's only going to be for these certain items until they turn my power back on. It's weird how the way our house is wired. The bathroom upstairs is kind of tied into these lights. So we're going to go over to the pan bin. Hopefully you guys can come up with a name so I can change it. But this sale was very interesting right here. Making sure it isn't a pan bin. I'm going to turn you guys around. Even though it's dark, you're not going to be able to see something, but you're going to see what I see. It's actually not as dark on camera as it actually is in person. But, oh, it's right here. The Guinness bottle opener. This was a very weird sale for me. Only because we have about $2 into it, I think it was. This thing sold for $39.99 plus shipping. There's something about it that I guess this was only available over in Ireland. From what it says on it, it's like the genuine Guinness collection. It says it right at the top, right up there in gold. When I came home, I didn't realize these things sold for a lot. Some of them do. There's certain ones that actually go for over $100. But hey, $39 for this bottle opener that honestly I didn't think it was going to sell. I thought it was a bad buy, but that was a really good buy. Keep your eyes open for Guinness memorabilia, especially ones that say that they're from over in Ireland. Those ones must be worth more than the junk that they do make here. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but they're drilling now. So the next item is in the Gettysburg bin, and we're going to take you over there. I got to figure out where the Gettysburg bin is. I'm losing I'm losing it over here. It is a Yeti Slim Can Bank, which who knows where it's at in here. So much stuff gets buried in here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, after tearing apart all the bins, I found it in the new bin. Right here. It's a Yeti Slim Can Holder Bank. Fishing, hunting, $5 plus shipping. These come in the Yetis. Usually the Yetis we don't keep these because we actually have one up there. We have one back here that I showed you. So, yeah, we don't need this one. So $5 plus shipping, that's heading out. It's a cool little bank though, if you want to put some stuff in there. Then we're going back to the pan bin. This was an interesting item and I'm shocked it sold. Yep, right here. It's a fanny pack, but it says squad on it. Bachelorette. It's supposed to be funny, like a funny fanny pack, black with gold glitter. We had it for $2.54. Somebody made us an offer of $1.99 plus shipping. So it doesn't weigh too much. So getting that out of here. It was either going to be sold for that much and only make $1 or so, or throw it away and make nothing. So at least we made something on it. Next, we have two popular mechanics books, Volume 6 and Volume 11, going to the same buyer. So let's find these. Okay, so Volume 6 and Volume 11. There's Volume 6 right there. There's 6 and Volume 11, which is probably right here. Oh, things are falling. We only have 6 left, though. We only have 6 books left, so those 2 are heading out. The next thing going out is in the PPG Paints Arena bin. So you notice this is just listed recently. It is the Lego Brickhead's Batgirl. Right here. We paid $2 for this at a new thrift store we found. We ended up getting $12.99 plus shipping on this. It is brand new sealed. Keep your eyes open for Legos. Even these Brickheads sell. Especially if you can find them still sealed at a decent price. So, okay, we're going to go over here and grab a DVD set. It is right here, right on the top actually. Nickelodeon Avatar, The Last Airbender, Complete Book 3. We ended up getting $3.01 for this. We picked this up, we probably have about a quarter into it, so happy with that. And then next we have a wrestler going out. Move this cardboard. It is Mean Gene Okerlund. This one's actually in really good shape. This one he has the microphone, the old WWF logo on it, but really good shape for this one. So just some minor paint loss, but these are from 1984. I think you could probably see the date. Maybe not. But we ended up getting $29.99 plus shipping on this guy. Keep your eye out for these LJNs. It's going out. Buyer just paid today. They purchased it the other day and said, hey, can I pay in a couple days? I said, sure. That's not a problem. The Disney Mickey Mouse ears, the Pride Days ears. Like I said, I love the colors on this thing. $6 plus shipping. That is the last one going out. It's bittersweet to see these finally out of here after so long that it took, because we honestly thought these things were going to go faster, but they didn't. But over the last month, these things moved really good. Okay, we are going to the Gettysburg bin. It's actually right on top today. Hey, look at this. We're lucky. Callaway golf hat. It's a snapback hat here. Cool Callaway logo. I'm not sure this thing was ever worn. Picked this up. I think we paid like $1 or something. We only ended up getting $5.24 for this. I don't know if I'll pick up Callaway hats again. I probably should have just worn it. I do like Callaway stuff, but yeah, I thought this thing was going to sell way faster. But it's out of here. $5.24 heading out. And then we're going to go to the Heinz Field bin, which was called the new bin. And let's see what's in here. We need the battery compartment, which I think it might be this piece here. Let me double check. Yep, that's it. It's actually a battery compartment and the control board with the screw. This is for a little RC car that we got. We ended up getting this RC car for free from a yard sale. The lady was basically giving it away because they said they didn't have the battery for it. So, again, when in doubt, part it out. So, sometimes you can make money. We've sold a couple things from this car already. We still have the wheels, we still have the base, we still have the cover. We might still have a couple other things for it too. But the control board finally sold. We ended up getting $6.99 plus shipping on this. So it's be heading out. Hopefully somebody can put it to good use. Okay, so the next thing going out is in the PPG Paints arena, and it is this garage door opener. Let me grab it here, fix that bin real quick. It is this Genie Universal Series Universal keypad. We ended up getting $21.99 for this. It is open box. Has a little bit of damage here, but not bad. Everything is in there. We paid $2.50 for this. And we got $21.99. Next up, we have some books going out. This is fantastic children's series here. These things are heavy. Grab these out. We bought these from Ollie's for $3, I think it was. We ended up getting $14 plus shipping on these. We had 2 of them. This is the second one to go out. Then off to the Poop de Con shelf, which I think this thing is underneath everything else. Yep, it's behind this. It's actually in the box. So I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to grab it. Here we go. We got it. This is the Santa Claus, or actually Mrs. Claus, Dansbury Mint Penn State figure. Since it's already boxed up, I'm not going to show you because it's in styrofoam. So I'm going to show you a picture on the screen. We had Santa, we also had the sleigh, and then we have Mrs. Claus. We paid $20 each for these. It was a Facebook Marketplace buy. We've had these for probably about 1.5 years. And this is the last one to finally sell. The sleigh sold first, then Santa sold. Then this one went. So we ended up getting $32.21 for this one. But the other one sold really well. So I don't know if I'd pick up Mrs. Claus again. She doesn't sell that great. The other 2 did. And we're going to head to the Tito's bin. Let me double check to make sure what color we're getting. Okay, we're going to get the green. This is the green lightsaber that we just got at Walmart. Clearance. Let's pull this bin out. There we go. Yep, green lightsaber. And they light up too. Which is super cool. Let's see if you can see it. Yep, it lights up inside. Brand new with tags. We paid $2.50 for these. We got $8.24 on this one. And last but not least, I have a mess down here again. It is a Starbucks mug. Right here. These are crazy. This is the rose gold studded cold cut from 2019. We picked this up in a huge lot of Starbucks mugs. And this is the last one we have left. I was shocked it's lasted this long. We lowered the price. I might have had it too high. We ended up getting $65 plus shipping on this. It does not have the straw, which really hurt the value on it. So just keep that in mind when you're picking these up. Look for ones with the straw. I mean, there's the original price tag. I'm not a big fan of this cup because it actually hurts to hold it, but somebody's going to be happy with that. So that is all I have for you today in this What's Sold video. This was a different one, and towards the end the sales picked up. We finally got to move some stuff out of here that we've been sitting on for a while. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification so you're notified when we post videos. This Wednesday I'm going to be on Primetime Treasure Hunters live show at 9 p.m. Eastern. Go check it out. The link is already live. I'm going to put a link to it down in the description below. Also, we have lives Wednesday night, which I will not be on this week on my channel, with Yinzer Picker and Ed the Reselling Writer. Till next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.